Hello guys, Assassin TV nga pala. Today, tayo ay maglalaro ng The Man from the Window. Tara, samahan niyo akong laruin to. Let's go! Start new game. Okay. Yes natin yan. Ayan, magsimula. Yan. Uy, uy, pinakamarami. Masok ng pinto. Sarado mo. Yan. Saan na yung dala mo, mga rabbit? Pizza. Pizza ba yung dala mo? Or donuts? Parang donuts. Sa kulay ko lang. Kulay ng box. Ano ba? Saka pupunta ng marami. Ang manonood ata siya ng TV guys. Sumunod. Oh my stars. I am tired. Yeah. What a long day. Stay home later and later. That's just how it's sometimes. I can't give up. And better cut. Let's sleep. Then I need to be up early. Bright and early. Cook breakfast for the little one. May bata. Batang rabbit. Mama, Mama! Junior, what on earth are you doing up this late? You know you have school tomorrow. But Mama, Man from the book is gonna get me. Huh? What man? What book? Man in my storybook. Eh? The man from the window. The man from the window. Maybe there. The man from the window is quite the odd fellow. As his with his back deadly eyes and sunken nose. Why? He just wants to say hello. Yung pala, mag-hello lang eh. As he smiles from ear to ear. Laki ng ngiti. The man wanders the quiet night. Through alleys and backyards he goes, making very sure to stay out of sight. He silently peers through windows, searching for one thing and one thing only. A friend is all he wants, for the man is very, very lonely. Yan naman pala eh, makikipagkaibigan lang. Once you hear his tapping at the window, you'll know he's found a new friend to play. For now you have only 5 minutes before he takes you away. But do not fret, for staying in one place is the man's only tip. Keep him at the bay for another 5 minutes and he'll leave. The man indeed is very, very bold. Soon he will check inside the place which is called. Tara, huwag tayo dun magtatago. The man has no use for trinket or token. He will now check under the place where bread is broken. Sa ilalim ng mesa, huwag din tayo dun magtatago. The man in his element doing what he does best. Next, he will look under the place where you can rest. Titingin rin siya sa may kama. Huwag tayo dun. The man will walk, then he will lurch. Place under the mirror is where he will search. The man has no friends, no family, no son, and no daughter. Next, he will check the place which holds water. Ayun ay last. Gamitin na lang dalawang last. Total na banggit naman lahat ng pwede pagtaguan. Kaya, this is one of those scary books people write. But you're too young to be reading this kind of stuff. It will scare your little mind half to death. But Mama, he saw bed right now. At least right you don't want to wake up in the... Huh? Tap, tap, tap. It's him! Out there! Calm down, you're... What the hell is out there? Pretty sure it's the monster. Tap, 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 tap. Junior? Yes? Where'd you get this book from? It was on the table when I got home from school. You got it for me, right? Oh dear Lord, oh dear Lord, this ain't good. Anyway, to my couch. This couch is nice and sturdy. I could probably push it in front of the window. It takes about 2 minutes. Itago natin yan. Yan, lagay natin yan dyan. Yan. Tapos, tayo dito. Ito. Buksan natin. It's a backup. No. I brought back from my job. Open the box. Open natin yan. Yan. Tapos, ayun, may susi. Natin yung pinto kaya. I better take my keys with me. Pick up the keys. Yan, lock natin. Bago na si Junior. Sige dito. Okay. Tara. Bilis. Ito, Junior. Dito. Ano natin tong pinto. Ito, sarado din natin to. Tapos, lock natin. Para mahirapan siya magbukas. Yan. This sink is big enough for Junior to hide. Yan, tago na dyan si Junior. Junior, Mama needs you to hide under the sink for a few minutes. Don't come out until I say so. Alright? I'm scared. But we'll be alright. Yan, tago na siya dyan. Ayun naman. Pasok tayo. Tapos, sarado natin to. Susi. Lock natin. Lock natin to pa. Yan. Dito tayo. Tago tayo. Dito lang tayo kakarsa. Ay, probably. Yan. Tago ka dyan, Mama Rabbit. Yan. Tayo natin. It was exactly 2 a.m. when the man approached the front door. The door had been locked. The man spent only 30 seconds ripping the lock apart. A large and heavy couch had been pushed in front of the door. It took the man an entire minute to break through the barricaded door. Uy, ang lakas naman ng to. The time was now 2:01 a.m. The man spotted a box of donuts sitting on the table. The man took an entire minute to eat them all. The time was now 2:02 a.m. The man looked inside the fridge, but he found nothing. The time was now 2:03 a.m. And 2 minutes na lang guys. Kakaligtas tayo. The man looked under the table, but he found nothing. Ako pupunta. Bedroom door has been locked. The man spent 30 seconds ripping the bedroom door lock off. The time was now 2:04 a.m. Isang minuto na lang guys. Nanalo na tayo dito. The man looked under the bed, but he found nothing. Wala kami dyan. The time was now 2:05 a.m. Yun, tapos na. The man's time was up, and he knew it. So as quickly as he arrived, the man from the window left. Ayan, nakaligtas tayo doon. Ayan. Ano na nangyari? Ayun, tumba yung sopa. Tapos ubos pa yung donut. Yan, sarado mo na. Yan. Hindi na bumalik yan. Mama! Is he gone? He's gone. Don't worry. Hooray! I knew you could do it. Oh no! What? Mama, he took the donuts. I wanted more. He ate all the donuts that I wanted one. Kinabahan naman ako doon. Kala ko naman kung ano na. Oh my goodness, child. Don't scare me like that. Pareho pala kami ni Mama Rabbit. Kinabahan kay Junior. I'll bring you some from work tomorrow, okay? Okay. And Junior? Huh? Mama goes books. Alright. It ain't up to dealing with that again. What are we gonna do about the movement from the the door? Oh, just kidding. Napaka-cool talaga, Junior. Nanakot pa eh. What am I going to do with you, huh? At natapos na natin guys. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa paglaro ng The Man from the Window. Kung nag-enjoy kayo, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe. Yun lang. Bye-bye!